So you just got out of a long meeting to brainstorm and kick off a new project. Now the hard work begins. You have to take all of that information from the meeting and put together a project plan. You need a process map, a solution design, a data model. You need to put together the backlog, and the list goes on and on. But I'm going to pose a question. Does this have to be that hard? Or can we use Cowork to help us out? I'm going to throw a pretty ambitious scenario at Copilot Cowork to see if it can take a meeting transcript where we talk about the project and all the goals and timelines and deliverables, and see if it can produce a complete project package for me in the first pass. It might succeed, it might fail miserably, it might get us halfway there, I don't know, but we're going to try it out live and see, can it cowork?
Can it cowork? Can it cowork? Let's find out.
So let's take a look at what we're working with here. I had a meeting with myself, Jordan, Maya, and Chris, where we had a project kickoff for this employee equipment request solution that we want to build. And in this meeting, we talked about what's the problem we're trying to solve. So right now, there's no one place to go for employee equipment request. They're kind of all over the place in email and Teams, and they need some kind of standardized process. And then I'm trying to pry out some details from the stakeholders, like what starts the request, what information do you need for a successful request to be submitted, are there any specific kind of rules depending on what equipment type is being requested. So this transcript really has a lot of the information that I need to build out a project plan and a process map and all of that. So my goal is, since so much of the information is in this one transcript, I want to be able to see if Cowork can take this, run with it, and create a first pass of a project packet. So with our transcript in hand, let's go over to Cowork and see what we can do. So we'll go to our Microsoft 365 portal and click on our Cowork agent here. And the first thing I'm going to do is add an attachment. I'm going to upload my meeting transcript. Now I'm going to try to do this all in one pass. So I put together a pretty detailed prompt as far as what I want Cowork to help me with. So I'm first going to give us some background information about, hey, I have this discovery meeting with stakeholders for this new project. Here's a transcript, and I want you to help me with that discovery package creation so I can review that with the stakeholders. Now this is where I get granular and tell it exactly what I want it to produce. So I want an executive summary for that packet where it shows the business problem, desired future state. Then I want the current state process. So in that meeting, I ask them what currently happens right now in the process that you're following. So I want all of that restated in this document. Then I want it to go into the future state process. So based off of that, what is it we're trying to solve here? What do they want to have happen? And now this is where it's going to get interesting, and we're going to see if Copilot Cowork can help us out here. So one of the tools that we use to help us brainstorm and create process maps is a tool called Miro. So this is an example of a Miro board that I had to document a process flow for this conference travel request process. So it's just a really nice tool for creating these process maps and visuals and brainstorming. So as part of this package that I want Cowork to create for me, I want it to create a Miro board plan. So I'm telling it exactly what I want. I want to have the current state process map. I want the future state swim lane process map and all of these visualizations in Miro built. Then I'll ask it for a solution blueprint. So showing what kind of Power Platform solutions and architecture is needed. Then I want it to go as far as doing a first pass of the Dataverse schema for the solution. And then create a week-by-week plan for me for this project with milestones and deliverables. So as you can see, this is a pretty big prompt. It may or may not work, and I might have to break this out into smaller chunks, but we'll see. Now the first thing though to get this to work is I need to figure out how I'm going to have it do this Miro integration. And the way I'm going to do that, if we click on this plus button, is there's new capability that was launched for Copilot Cowork called plugins. So if I click on Manage Plugins and go to Browse Plugins, I'll see that we have all of these out-of-the-box plugins that I can use, one of those being the Miro plugin. So I've already added this in, so now this allows me to connect to the Miro MCP server, and I can do all kinds of things like creating visuals and pulling visuals from my boards. So just by toggling that on for my Cowork session here, now we'll have all of that capability to be able to do these Miro tasks. So we're just going to roll with it, and we're going to send this prompt in, and we'll just see what it does. So I'm going to go fill up my coffee, let this thing cook, and we'll come back and see what it does. All right, so it's been about roughly 5 minutes and I can check in and see some results starting to come through. I see the executive summary, which at first glance looks pretty good. And then now I see if I can look down below here, it's asking me for some approval. So that is, again, a thing that Cowork does for us, is it doesn't just blindly perform actions, it makes sure that it has human in the loop along the way. So it's asking me to give approval for creating a new board. So I'm going to approve this. And now this is where it's integrating with that Miro plugin that I added. So it created a board for me where it's going to place all these artifacts that I requested it build. And it's asking me for some more approvals here because it's going to actually start creating some widgets in Miro with that plugin. So just going to approve that and then any other approvals that come up along the way. Okay, so it looked like it finished creating that Miro board in all the visuals and it provided a link here. So let's open that up and see what it did. Wow, okay, that is a lot. Let's unpack some of this. So we have an overview. This is the current state process map. It's got some notes about what's wrong with this process. We have our future state swim lane, breakdown of the capabilities for the Power App and the agent that we need to build, all of the business rules that we talked about. Honestly, a pretty good first pass of all the visuals that I asked it to create for me here. So while it looks like it produced everything that I wanted, it didn't package it all up in a packet as I asked. So what we'll do is we'll do a follow-up prompt and we'll just ask it to help us with that. So I'll just say that this looks good, but please take all this information and put it into one project plan Word document, including a link to the Miro board, and see if it can synthesize all this, give me one file that I can then go and send off to my project stakeholders. So now when I asked it to do that, notice it's calling the word skill to go and produce that document for me. All right, so it looked like it finished going through and creating that document. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So we got a link to our Miro board right there on the front page, which is great so we can reference all of that information. It even created this how to read this document section so we can see what's confirmed based off of the meeting transcript, what's inferred, assumptions, and open questions, which is really nice. All right, we got the executive summary, current state, confirmed pain points, the future state outlined. If we scroll down, here are the components that we said we need. So we need a Copilot Studio agent, Power Automate for orchestration, Dataverse, Power BI for reporting. We have some business rules, like if it's under 150 and a standard catalog item, it's auto-approved. So all of that is captured here in this document. And there's that first pass schema that it came up with, which we can of course edit, the implementation backlog and the phases, and the actual project plan. So all in all, not bad considering all that I did was give it a meeting transcript about what we talked about to kick off this project. So I could go through in this Word document, make some tweaks to it. I could even ask Cowork at this point to draft an email summarizing this information and attach this project plan and send it on to the stakeholders. So it really did a pretty good job, and I was able to give it that one big, long prompt of everything I needed, and even have it call that out-of-the-box plugin for Miro to do those visualizations for me. So what's the verdict here? Can it co-work? I'm going to say this one is a yes. If you have any scenarios that you want me to try running through Copilot Cowork, drop a note in the comments and let me know, and I'll give it a try in the next episode. Thanks for watching.